behind the stage. Should we have a little peek? That's us. Have a peek. They're getting everything warmed up for us. Woo! Anyway, usual suspects. Frank holding the camera, Tom and Dennis.
Tom, what do you want to say?
Hello to the world outside. A smoking place.
Oh man. The usual fun and games they have in their room as well. Say hello to Frank.
I don't want to be in this movie.
No paparazzi. Yeah, oh my god. What do you think of Pyromania? It's out now and wasn't supposed to say anything about it, but now we've shot the video and it's on YouTube and it should be on your television as well. So give us your comments, we all want to know what you think.